Hello and welcome to a new video. What if I told you that AI can now see, hear, and understand the world exactly like we do? In this video, you're going to witness AI that doesn't just read text. It interprets photos, listens to audio, watches videos, and creates content across all of these formats. I'm going to show you live demos, explain the technology in simple terms, and reveal why this is the biggest leap in AI since ChatGPT launched. If you're curious, stay tuned. First, let's talk about what multimodal GenAI actually is. So let me break it down. Traditional AI models work with one type of data, like ChatGPT with text, or image generators with pictures. But multimodal generative AI? It's like giving AI human senses. Just as you use your eyes to see this video, your ears to hear my voice, and your brain to understand my words all at once, multimodal AI combines text, images, audio, and video into one unified understanding. Here is what happens under the hood. Imagine multiple specialists working together. One is an expert in reading text, another is an expert in analyzing images, another one is an expert in listening and analyzing audio, and then you have another one who is a specialist in analyzing video. Each specialist does their job, and then they will meet in the middle to share what they have learned. Finally, they will go ahead and work together to form one intelligent response. That's essentially how multimodal AI works. Separate neural networks for each data type, fusion in the middle, and then one unified output. For example, if you do give an AI a photo and you ask a question about this photo, it will analyze the photo. It will take our question and process our question. It will combine everything in the middle, and then it will provide an intelligent output answering our question about this photo. Let me go ahead and show you this in action. So here I am in Gemini, and I will go ahead and upload a picture of one of my favorite places, which is a beer garden in Munich, Germany. So let's go ahead and upload this. And now we'll go ahead and ask Gemini, what is the mood of this place, and would you recommend this place for a business meeting? Let's go ahead and see if Gemini will be able to take this image, analyze it, and then give us an appropriate answer. It's taking the image, analyzing all the details, and answering my question. So let's see, based on the image, the mood of this place appears to be lively, social, and relaxed. And it says here too, to answer the second part of my question, I would generally not recommend this place for a typical business meeting. And it gives you a reason why, because it's too noisy. It's a lack of privacy. It is an informal setting and there's too many distractions. So this is a very awesome example as to how AI takes an image, analyzes it, and gives you the appropriate answer by combining its findings. We can also ask, what are people drinking in this picture? Let's see if AI can analyze. And based on the visual evidence in this picture, it appears to be people drinking from large clear mugs, which are commonly used for beer in beer gardens or similar outdoor establishments. This is awesome. Look at this, how it did find the detail in this image, analyzing it, and giving us the correct answer. As a next example, let's go ahead and generate a image from our text. So it will analyze the text and generate an image. For this, and I do have to say I'm a fan of beer, so we will prompt here generate an image of a rustic brewery with floating beer mugs and people having a good time. And let's see if Gemini can go ahead and generate an image for us. This may take a second. It's analyzing my text. It's coming up with the appropriate contents of the image, and there you go. We are in a rustic brewery. We have people who have a good time, and we have a floating beer mug. This is awesome. This is a very good image. I like it. And because this is so much fun, and actually it's all so amazing how all these things work together, let's do a one last demo and take a short video and pass it into the AI, and we'll go ahead and see if it can find something for us. So for this, I'm using OpenAI here, and I picked a short video. This is a public video from GitLab, and we'll go ahead and we'll take the link to the video, and we will go ahead and prompt here, analyze the video and suggest a catchy title. And let's paste the link in here, and let's prompt OpenAI, or ChatGPT in this case, to take a look at our video and come up with some title suggestions. And you see here it came up already: mastering compliance grouping, simplify compliance, and the original video here was compliance center grouping compliance statuses. So it did go ahead, it did take the video, it went through it, and then made the suggestions as we needed. This is quite useful and super awesome. This isn't just cool technology, it is already transforming industries. Customer support teams use it to analyze screenshots, read text messages, chat messages, and listen to voice calls simultaneously for faster problem solving. Doctors combine medical scans with patient notes and speech patterns for accurate diagnosis. And online shoppers now can upload their photos and for any item, so they can instantaneously find similar products. And then there is also marketing teams who use multimodal AI to generate personalized ads and combine text and images and even custom audio. The leaders in this space are pushing boundaries fast. OpenAI's GPT-4o can handle text, images, and audio in real-time conversations. Google's Gemini 2.0 processes everything from documents to videos, and Meta's ImageBind connects 6 different types of data. But here's what's really exciting. We're moving beyond just text and images. AI is now learning from 3D environments, 3D data, and sensor data, and researchers are even experimenting with brain signals. Imagine all that. And the AI multimodal market is expected to grow 10 times by 2030. To put this in dollar amounts, it's projected to grow from 1.4 billion to over $15 billion by 2030. So why should you care? Well, it's because this changes everything about how we interact with technology. Instead of learning different applications and interfaces, you can just communicate naturally. Show, tell, ask, create. It's more accurate because if one piece of information is unclear, The others will fill in the gaps, and it unlocks creativity we've never seen before. Imagine you describe a scene and you're having AI create the video, the soundtrack, and script all at once. And as you can imagine, of course, there are challenges. Privacy becomes more complex when AI processes multiple data types about you. Training these models requires enormous computational resources, and we need to ensure they're accessible to everyone and not just the big tech companies. But as these hurdles are overcome, we are heading towards AI that truly understands the world as we do, intuitive, creative, and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. In conclusion, multimodal generative AI isn't just the next step in artificial intelligence, it's a giant leap toward technology that truly gets us. I challenge you to try a multimodal AI tool this week. Upload a photo and ask it a question or describe something and see what it creates. And then, if you want to, come back and tell me in the comments below which demo did blow your mind that you performed yourself. What would you want to see AI tackle next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I do appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.